Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity. Built near the Narmada Dam in Gujarat, the Sardar Patel statue is double the height of the Statue of Liberty in New York. The 182-meter giant structure is made up of 25,000 tons of iron and 90,000 tons of cement and is visible from a 7-kilometer radius. There are two high-speed passenger elevators in the statue's core, which takes the visitors up to the chest of the statue to a viewing gallery. The gallery can accommodate 200 tourists at a time. You will be able to see the Sardar Sarovar Dam and its 200-kilometer-long reservoir, Satpura and Vindhya mountain ranges from the gallery of the Statue of Unity. The statue is designed to withstand winds of almost 180 km per hour and earthquakes measuring 6.5 on the Richter scale. Adjacent to the statue, the government has built the Shrestha Bharat Bhavan, which is a 128-key, 3-star hotel facility with food service, guest amenities, and conference facilities. Double the height of New York Statue of Liberty, 5 times taller than Rio de Janeiro's Christ the Redeemer, the world's tallest memorial, the Statue of Unity will be 1.5 times taller than the Sardar Sarovar Dam and as tall as a 60-storied building.